Hi grade 7s, today I'm going to make some chocolate chip cookies. So first we're going to have to preheat our oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit on convection bake. After we preheated our oven, we're going to have to add our wet ingredients. So we have half a cup of softened butter, then we're going to add half a cup of white sugar, then half a cup of brown sugar, an egg, and then just a little bit of vanilla extract. Then we're gonna combine this until it's a unified mixture, other known as a homogeneous mixture. Now we have our homogeneous mixture here with our white ingredients. Now we're gonna have to incorporate it into our dry mix consisting of flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and 2 pinches of salt. Now we have our wet and our dry mixture nice and combined. Now we're gonna add the best part, the chocolate chips. I usually measure to this, so about that much, like a third of a cup. I'm just gonna mix this, and with all of this combined, it's gonna make a heterogeneous mixture. So it's not unified because the chocolate chip there. Then we're gonna grab our ice cream scooper. I'm just gonna grab some of the dough and put it on the tray. Now we have all our cookie dough on our baking sheets. We now can add them into our oven for 18 minutes, or when the edges are nice and golden brown. Now our cookies are done baking. We can take them out of the oven. See the nice golden brown edges? You can let them rest and chill on the counter. Like so.